Hello everyone, my name is Taher Kapasi and I'm the Regional Education Manager for the ACCA in the Middle East. We've all been hearing about the entire world being in unprecedented times and everyone facing their own hardships. While I would not emphasize that we are under unprecedented times, I do agree that the current COVID-19 situation has taken the world by surprise, challenging our old ways of doing things and forcing us to adapt to a newer way of living. While the June exams for a lot of you may have been cancelled, they are still progressing for a couple of you, should things progress as planned. My tips today, some of which are also inspired by a recent blog I read from Stuart Petley Smith called The Self-Isolated Learner, will help guiding you with your study plans and your future exams. So let's get started. Tip number 1, bring in discipline to your life. And by discipline, I mean give it structure. Make a timetable and include everything in it, from study time to rest to play, as well as some burpees and exercise. Build in a regular routine which will help you overcome procrastination and be more productive. Most importantly, once you've made the timetable, ensure you stick to it. Tip number 2, set up a learning or a productive corner in your house. Pick a space which is quiet and has little or no distractions at all. Most importantly, keep that phone away. Every alert is a distractor and will make you fall behind your plans. Tip number 3, take regular breaks. Don't cram yourself with too many and long study hours and sessions. Make sure you take 5 to 10 minute short breaks for every 30 to 40 minutes learning time. Taking breaks regularly keeps you be more focused and productive in your study sessions. Tip number 4, question practice is key. Practicing enough questions under exam condition will ensure your performance enhances on the actual day of the exam. Doing mock exams is equally important. Mock exams are a reflection of your actual performance on the day of the exam. So make sure you do enough question practice and incorporate as many mock exams as you possibly can. Tip number 5, keep learning continuous. For those of you whose exams for June may have been cancelled, consider making the most of this time by doing your Ethics and Professional Skills module. Completing your Ethics and Professional Skills module will ensure success at the strategic professional level exams, but equally also equip you with skills that are needed for your professional careers. Why not consider doing an additional exam for the next available exam session? Our learning providers are committed to support our students with their learning journeys. So I urge all of you to get out there, get in touch with our learning partners to see how they can help you with your progression decisions. Finally, it's about staying positive and having a positive mindset. Change is inevitable and the only constant. So take this opportunity to adapt to the changing times and move on positively towards the end of the tunnel. Eventually, it is up to us to decide how do we get through this, or how do we reinvent ourselves to get through these times. So stay safe, stay positive, and keep moving on.